Welcome. It's a lovely day outside, sun's high in the sky, and it's the right time for a barbecue. Today we're going to talk about something that's a little bit controversial: meat. So everybody has their own idea of how they want their meat, how they like their steak, what temperature they like their ribeye, what spice mix to use. So personally, I think there are two ways you can cook meat. Either it's hot and fast or it's low and slow. Today we're going to look at the hot and fast method, and later on we're going to see some really cool stuff we can do with a low and slow. So this is something you can do with just the sun. So if you have barbecue weather, you can barbecue. I recommend using a cast iron pan. Most of the time when I cook with solar, I cook with enamel. That's great because it heats up really fast and is very reliable. But here we need something that heats up and retains the heat. This is also good if you have slightly unpredictable weather, like if there are a lot of clouds in the sky, because this holds on to the heat even if the sun goes behind a cloud. We've heated up this cast iron pan, and we're gonna just put some butter in to make sure it's at a good high temperature. Yep, it's definitely at a good temperature. So let's put in the meat. Just been protecting it from critters since we're outside after all. All right, so after a while we can turn it over. Turn it again. Well, this is the ready steak. Now, it's important when you've cooked it that you let it sit for a few minutes to rest. This helps the temperature even out and improves the flavor, texture, and so on. So this one's already had a chance to rest for a little bit. So let's have a look at it. There we go. A lovely backstrap steak cooked entirely with the sun. And that's all there is to it.